What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. Welcome to my channel. Today is February 2nd, 2022. And as always, we are here to get this crypto money to make these gains. Help me out. This video is for free. The most you can do is hit this like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. Guys, who cares if the market's moving sideways? Who cares if we go lower? The way to make money in crypto is right now. Right now is an opportunity of a lifetime. Right now, everything is at a discount price. Why is it when things are going good, things are at the top, things are extremely high in price, that is when everybody wants to buy in. But times like this, when things are boring, they're moving sideways, everything is at a discount, everyone's afraid to buy. Did you guys not hear about buy low, sell high? Why do you guys like to buy high and then sell low? It makes no sense. Guys, look at the chart real quick, right? Last time, the beginning of 2021, we had a big rally. Of course, it wasn't as anticipated because we never really saw that major alt rally that we've seen in the past in 2013, 2017. But either way, things went up. People thought price was going to go even higher, surpassing that 64, 65,000. And things crashed in April. It went down, moved sideways. It was boring. People thought the game was over. But out of nowhere, end of July, what happened? Bitcoin started recovering and the crypto market started recovering too. So as you can see, it basically took, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, practically 4 months to retest the all-time high. So what? If it takes 4 months for us to retest the $65,000 again, or even if we stay in a boring market like this, we move sideways all throughout 2022, who cares? Guys, long term, think long term, see the glass as half full instead of half empty. This is an opportunity which each paycheck that you get, each extra income that comes in to buy your favorite projects at a discount. Stop looking at your portfolio every day. Look at the glass as half full instead of half empty. Have diamond hands, and trust me, it will pay off in the end. Wealth is made throughout the bear market. Don't be a fool and try to buy when things are up in price, when people are being greedy. That is not the time to make the big gains. The time to make the big gains is when things are at a discount, right? Now, today, let's get an update on one of the projects that I've discussed in the past. You can find it in my channel. I went over this project. It's called Wall Street Games. Right now, Wall Street Game is currently ranked at 1,123. It is on 310,893 people's watch list on CoinMarketCap. Current market cap is at 7.2 million. Volume is at 2.5 million. Despite the fact that things are boring and moving sideways, there's a lot of volume, a lot of action, a lot of interest in this project. This is a circulating supply. It's most importantly verified data. The all-time high. CoinMarketCap does not have the accurate all-time high, but the all-time high was somewhere around here back in July 27, 2021 at 0.0000002145. So that is exactly 6 zeros in front of 2145. That is basically where the all-time high was at. And right now, it is at a discount price. Right now, there are currently 7 zeros in front of 2314. So guys, this is a cheap project, but it has so much potential And guys, gaming projects did so well in 2021 and will continue to do great for years to come. The team behind this project, they are committed to growing this project. They have been making a lot of development updates and they have upcoming exchange listings. So this project right here is a low cap gem that will change people's lives, all right? Wall Street Games is here to stay. This project is one of those long-term, low-cap gems. Now, for those that are interested, this is the current exchanges that they're on. So you have Gate.io, LBank, PancakeSwap, Bitmart, Hotbit, and all these other exchanges. Let's look at the charts real quick. As you can see, since practically November, right here, it's been on a downward trend. So the purple line is the level of support and resistance, and the orange line is a trend line. So it's been a downward trend, moving sideways for the past few days, moving a little bit down more. But guys, the key is the entire crypto space is not doing good right now. But the people who are smart enough to recognize the opportunity of a lifetime that they have right now, and they know that long term the market will come back up. We've seen this play before. It's not the first time we've seen the market crash and then recover. Whether it takes a few months, whether it takes a year, 2 years, 3 years, who knows, who cares? Long term, the market will recover, and having diamond hands and being patient will pay off, all right? Now, let's say you had only $100 to invest, all right? Now, when you come to CoinMarketCap and use your converter, $100 in Wall Street Games token will give you this amount of Wall Street game tokens back, right? So basically 4.29 billion in Wall Street game tokens, right? Let's do some quick math real quick, right? So this is the amount of tokens that you would get with a $100 investment. Now, with the current price, it's only worth $100. If and when Wall Street game token returns to its all-time high, you will have around $1,000. Now, if it drops one extra zero from that all-time high that we saw back on July 27, 2021, you will have around $10,000. Now, if it drops another two zeros, actually, which would amount to three zeros from its current price, you will have around $100,000. Now, I am not saying that Wall Street game tokens, if you have $100, is going to give you six figures back. I'm not saying that. I'm not trying to pretend like I have a crystal ball, like I know where the price is going. But guys, look at the market cap. The market cap is at 7.2 million. 7.2 million. That means this project has so much more room to grow. Look, when we look at the market cap, see, back on November 16, 2021, it was only at 54 million. Imagine a market cap of 100 million. Imagine a market cap of 500 million. Imagine a market cap of a billion. That is not out of the picture. Let's say a $500 million market cap, right? 500 divided by 7.23, that is 69x. 69x times $100 investment, that is 6,915. $1 billion market cap, right? So let's say $1 billion market cap divided by 7.23, that is 138x times $100 investment. You're looking at 13,831. And guys, it can surpass $1 billion market cap, especially with more exchange listings coming in and down the road for years to come as more money flows into crypto. Guess what? $1 billion today is going to be worth less in the next upcoming years as more money flows into crypto. Now, another thing that they did, they had an AMA. So I will not go through the entire article, but I'll put a link to this. You guys can actually read the AMA. I will go through some of the important points that actually stood out to me. Now, the reason why AMAs are so important because you get to find out more details about the project, more details about questions that you may not find so easily just by looking at their social media. So I will put a link to this. You guys can read it for yourself because it's a very long AMA recap, but I will post some of the questions that stood out to me that they answered, which shows that this team is not playing around. So like I said in the video, I will put a link to the AMA recap and you guys can read through it. But this is the 3 questions that actually stood out to me that I found fascinating. Of course, there's more, but I don't want to make this video too long. Guys, this team is not playing around. So, one of the questions, it said, please, could you explain how your recent partnership with the new DEX project helped bring Wall Street Game to new heights and when to expect that? So Bernard from Wall Street Game said, the DEX native token will be used as a treasure rewards for the Wall Street Game treasure chest, which will lower the selling pressure of Wall Street Game. A token swap on the exchange will include a 0.25% trading fee from which 0.02% will be sent towards Wall Street Game buyback and burn. The DEX tokens will be used to support Wall Street Game incentives. For now, there is no exact release date. Another question that stood out to me was this one. It said, you guys are too cool. I really like Snake Game. When will the next games come out? So Bernard from Wall Street Game said, first of all, thank you for the feedback. The new game is coming soon after iOS is released. Unfortunately, we don't know the exact date yet as the App Store reviewers are handling it very slowly and there is no one delegated to the task, but the reviewers are constantly changing and bringing up new questions about the project. The main issue is that they are not well educated in crypto and they really want to find a way where they could get a percentage for them to earn from our app. Now, guys, in my past, I have developed iPhone games before, and yes, it's harder to get an iPhone game or any app listed through the iOS than it is through Google Play because the review process from iOS is way harder than Google Play. But it's Apple. Are you surprised? Now, just have to be patient, but like the team is saying, it will come out soon, but they have to go through many hurdles. Now, the third question that I stood out to me was actually this one. It says, for a project development, first of all, main priority is having enough fund. Does your team financially capable to run this project? And do you have enough fund for its development? Can you tell us that how your project generate the profit? So Bernard from Wall Street Game said, the project's treasury and marketing fund is healthy and a lot of promotions are ongoing. Right now, we have secured a big enough balance to be more than capable to run this project for a very long period. So guys, this was 3 questions that stood out to me, especially the one about the iOS app because I have an iPhone. Unfortunately, I cannot test out the Google Play version, but I cannot wait for the iOS version to come out. And guys, there's more questions that they answered. Please check out the AMA recap and check out all future AMAs that the team is having. They have it through their Telegram. And also, guess what? They have an actual game. This is the Wall Street Games app on Google Play Store. Now, if you haven't enjoyed, download the app, try out their game. So this is some of the pictures of the game. Here's some of the pictures. I'm an iPhone user, so unfortunately I cannot test out the game yet. But in one of the AMA questions, they did say that they have an iOS version of the game coming out soon. They don't have an exact date yet. So here are some of the screenshots of the game, the reviews. So guys, this is not just a project that has a white paper that is giving you false hope, false promises. They're actually putting in the work. They actually have a product that you can test out. We see that they're already on a good amount of exchanges It's a low cap gem. They have more updates, more developments to come. So guys, the future looks bright for Wall Street Games token. Make sure to check out the video that I went into details about this project. I'll put a link to it and you guys can check it out. And with that being said, I am out.